All right, guys, we're back for another install, and today we're going to be taking off these plastic wings that come with the 25 Ducati Panigale V4 and replacing with the Ducati Performance carbon wings. So it's the same exact design. There's no more downforce you're going to get from these, but except they're lighter, they're black, and they're carbon. They look much better. It also sounds like there's like sand in this thing. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's kind of weird how it sounds. There's definitely something shaking around in there. We have our Ducati part number right there, and these are $995, these carbon wings. So Ducati tax definitely comes in spades. All right, first thing we're doing right here is we're gonna pull off these side panels on both sides. It's just a number 3. I'm gonna unscrew this bolt right here, and then we have a bolt right in the front. You guys are seeing it? There it is. We gotta get this bolt as well on the front. Once you got both the bolts out, I take the steering head right here and push it over as far left as I can because I'm on the right side here. You just kind of start pulling a little bit, and it should kind of pull out of every little bit here. It's better with 2 hands, believe me. All right, got it out with 2 hands. It kind of slides back and out, and you can see there's pieces right here that stick into the fender, right there, right there, right there, and that aligns with this plastic piece right here. It kind of goes in and pushes up. So we pull it out and pull it back, and just be gentle with it, and it pulls out kind of like this from the bike. So you want to pull both of those on both sides. So now we got both of these side panels out here. We can see one of those bolts, you can see right there, that's one of the bolts of the wing. The other bolt is on the other side of the whole, I don't know, firewall, whatever that is. Looks like part of the fairing stay. So we can't pull it out from just the sides here. We have to pull the entire face of the bike off. So I'm gonna work on pulling the front off here, pulling these pieces off, so this whole thing will come off of one piece, meaning with the wing, the side here, and the top will all come off at one time. All right, so I'm gonna take a few guesses on here exactly how to pull this off. I'm gonna take this bolt right here. There's a bolt right here as well, that needs to come off. There's also, looks like right here, this bolt right here, this holds this to the fairing stay. We won't need to pull this one because it's all connected to one piece right there. We'll have to pull out all 5 of these bolts here underneath the nose. 1, 2, where you at? 3, 4, 5. All those gotta come out too. So I'm gonna try to pull these all out. If there's an issue, I'll let you guys know, or if I'm wrong about some bolts, I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna get started right now. All right, and mission accomplished. We now have the front of the bike off there so we can swap these wings out. Now, every single bolt I told you to take out was correct, except I missed 3. There was one right here. There's a very long one right there. Goes on the top of the headlight, very easy to get to. I'm separating all these bolts out so I know exactly where they go. Of course, it needs to slide everywhere. So all these bolts right here just from the top. And I also have 2 down here I missed. So see this hole right here and hole right here on both sides? Disconnect these and it pulls out. Now the way it pulls out, you can see right here, there's this push, this guidance tab right here. And the hardest part was the front one right here. So after I got everything off, it wanted to wiggle off, but it didn't. And I saw there was a tab right here on the front. So you just gotta wiggle it slowly, 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 comes out. And let me show you the inside of this, guys. So give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. You see right there, that's the front tab. And there's little tabs to the side here that slide in, right there and right there. And you can see a tab right there as well, and a tab right there as well. So a lot of tabs, you're gonna have to slide in and out of this thing. And you can see the wing we got right there, those 2 bolts. We're gonna pull those next. And these right here are both 8 millimeters. We're just gonna go ahead and get all 4 of these off. Now that that's done, we should be able to pull these wings right out. Yep, that's it. Comes right out. Let's see what we got here for the stock weight on the OEM wings. 10 ounces, or 10.6 ounces. Let's see what the carbon wing weighs. So 10.6 ounces versus 4 ounces. We're saving a total of 6 ounces per wing. That is 12 ounces altogether, just from switching to carbon, and it looks so much better. Now, while I'm in here, I'm gonna take these mirrors off. They're kind of useless. They wiggle way too much while I'm riding. I can't really see anything out of there except a blob beside me, so I'd rather just look over my shoulder to see if the traffic coming. I'm gonna pull these off really quick. All right, and this is a simple 4 millimeter. Just gonna pull them both out for both sides. And once you get the mirror out, you're gonna push this clasp on this little square right there. You push down on it, and the whole connector will come right out with it. I'm gonna zip tie this up and away from this, put this back in there, because I don't intend on using this anymore. All right, just for fun, let's see how much weight we're saving with each mirror we're pulling off here. 1 pound, 1 ounce, each mirror. So we're saving a total of 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds just from the mirrors alone. And while I was zip tying these things up, I found there's a harness that just leaked for all the turn signals right here. So I just went ahead and disconnected this harness and pulled the entire, you can see that that's the turn signal harness right there for the individual turn signals. So let's pull that out. You can leave that there, and that cleans up this whole section. All right, so I kind of half-assed mocked this thing up so you guys can see what it looks like with no wings. What do you guys think? What we're thinking of doing here is making a block-off kit for this. You guys can let me know in chat what you think. We'll just make a block-off right here so we have no wings, basically be the same color as this, or we can make it in whatever finish you guys want, really. We can make it in black, we can make it whatever. But really just looking for feedback from you guys if we should make this block-off kit so the bike really doesn't have any wings. Because I've heard some complaints before about people saying the wings just don't look good on the bike, doesn't look natural. What do you guys think of this look? All right, so now I've slid the wing in, and we're just gonna install it the same way we had the other wings with a washer right here and the 8mm nut. So have it all kind of mocked up here. It's not bolted in yet, it's still very loose. In the very front here, once you get this thing slid on, you're pushing it in, you wanna make sure you get this guide post in first, this giant one in the center. You can see it through the side of the headlight here. Push it in, make sure that one goes in first. Then you can go ahead and pop in these 2 guide holes. There's one down here, and there's one right in here, and same on the other side over there. Once you get those guide holes in there, just kind of snug her in through the wing and through the side there, just be nice and gentle with her. And then she's good to go. Just bolt her all back up again. And I'll let you guys know if there's an issue with me bolting this thing back up. All right, pretty much got all the bolts secured. Just make sure it's on both sides. This one right here, there's one right here. There's gonna be one right here at the top. There's gonna be one right here. There's gonna be 2 down there. And there's gonna be 5 underneath here. Just make sure you get all those bolts in and make sure the posts are in properly, and this should be easy. And the last step here I've got is, of course, these little side panels, and then she's wrapped up. All right, so this is it. She's all wrapped up. What do you guys think? Do you think this is better than that red look? Now we've separated out with got the fender. We've also got the wings here. Separates everything out nicely. We still got a lot more parts to go here, but this is a great start. And I think that's gonna do it for our video today for the install of the wings. She's looking good. And I'll see you guys in the next one.